How to fix Instagram Notes music not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Instagram Notes music not showing. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Now, you have to make sure to sign in to your account. Tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen to access settings and activity page. Scroll down. Under How others can interact with you section, select Messages and Story Replies option. Tap Show Activity Status. Toggle the button on for Show Activity Status. This allows accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. Go to the home page of Instagram. Tap on Messenger icon at top right corner of the screen. Select your note at top left corner. Tap OK button. As you can see that we have got the music icon and this notes section. So that is how we fix the Instagram notes music not showing. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.